Hey guys, welcome back to Builds by Maz. In this video, I'll show you how to easily replace your outdoor porch light to give your home a more modern or updated look. Let's get started. Now before starting, make sure you have your power turned off at the circuit breaker. To remove the old fixture, look for these decorative nuts. You'll need to unscrew them, and you can usually do it by hand. Typically, there will be two, and these are what's holding the light to the house. This light's really old, and I uncovered a surprise wasp nest, but after getting that out of the way, I could remove the old mounting bracket by unscrewing it. You can then remove the old wire connections by unscrewing the wire caps. Most likely, there will be 3 caps for the black, white, and ground wires. I got this new black light fixture on Amazon, and if you like the way it looks, I'll have a link to it below in my video description. It comes with this round mounting plate, and we're going to install that next. We'll also need the 2 machine screws from the hardware bag. First, line up the mounting plate with the attached screws facing outward. Attach it by drilling the 2 screws into the mounting holes in the electrical box. And this round mounting plate should fit most size boxes. Check that the protruding screws are level and adjust as needed. Now coming from the house, we have our black hot wire, the white neutral wire, and the bare ground wire. The light fixture has the same 3 wires, the black hot, the white neutral, and the bare ground. And all you have to do is connect the same color wires from the house to the light. Line up both ends of the same colored wire together so they're facing the same direction, and then twist the wire nut around them. Give it a few twists until it seems like you have a really good connection, and you can give it a little tug to make sure everything's secure. Once you have the black, white, and ground wires all connected, it should look something like this. Now you can shove the wire nuts and the wires back through the middle of the mounting bracket into the electrical box. That way they're out of the way and we can mount the fixture. There are 2 pre-drilled holes which simply slide on to those protruding screws. Double check that there are no wires poking out the side, and then we can attach these decorative nuts. Just thread one on to the end of each screw, tightening it as much as you can until the whole light fixture is pressed firmly against the house. Now we can install the light bulb, and I got these LEDs which look like classic incandescent bulbs. This will give the porch light a timeless look and a nice warm glow while remaining energy efficient. Next, you can flip your circuit breaker back on and double check that the light works. We also repainted our house, but once that was done, I put a bead of exterior caulk around the top and sides of the light fixture to keep out water and bugs. And here's the finished look. For something so simple and inexpensive, it really does make a big difference to your home's curb appeal. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe to catch the next project, and we'll see you next time.